Hello YouTube, we have an unboxing today. Today we have the Volkswagen, I can't read this, wheel, and for a 2009 Volkswagen Routan Sel. There we go. All right, let's get on with the unboxing. All right. All right. Oh man. You're supposed to. Oh man, this is heavy. That's heavy. Oh, here's the paperwork. I thought they were gonna have the. That's not the paperwork. What is that? It's just a piece of paper. I thought we were gonna have the little centerpiece. It's not in the box. Well, that concludes our unboxing. Thank you for watching. Press like and subscribe.